Hello everyone! Welcome to the tutorial on the computation of IPCR for the SPMS. Rating period. Performance evaluation shall be done semi-annually from January to June and July to December. The rating scale. There shall be 5-point rating scale, 1 to 5 for individual performance, 5 being the highest and 1 the lowest. Let me show you the table of the rating scale. If the accomplishment rating is at least 130% of target, the numerical rating is 5 and the adjectival is outstanding. If the accomplishment rating is 115% to 129% of target, the numerical rating is 4 and the adjectival is very satisfactory. If the accomplishment rating is 100% to 114% of target, the numerical rating is 3 and the adjectival is satisfactory. If the accomplishment rating is 51% to 99% of target, the numerical rating is 2 and its adjectival is unsatisfactory. If the accomplishment rating is 50% and below of target, the numerical rating is 1 and the adjectival is poor. Now, let me show you an example. We will be taking the IPCR of the land registration examiner. Let's look at the efficiency. If, for example, target is 80% of documents received for examination has been evaluated, analyzed, proofread, and endorsed for approval to the RD. Assuming that 50 documents were received for examination, therefore, 50 times 0.80 is equal to 40 documents. That's constitute 100% target. Out of the 50 documents, only 48 documents were actually evaluated, analyzed, proofread, and endorsed for approval to the RD within the prescribed period of 1 day. We will then compute 48 over 40, and that's equivalent to 1.2 or 120%. Therefore, referring back to the rating scale, the numerical value is 4 and the adjectival is very satisfactory. Now let's look at the quality. The target is 90% without error or 10% allowable error. If, for instance, 48 documents have actually been endorsed for approval to the RD, then 48 times 0.90 is equal to 43.2 or 43 documents. That's the 100% target. Out of the 48, 47 documents have actually been endorsed for approval without any error. Therefore, 47 divided by 43 is equal to 1.09 or 109%. Referring back to the rating scale table, numerical rating is 3 and adjectival of satisfactory. Let's look at the timeliness. Target is 1 day. Assuming that all 48 documents were actually endorsed for approval in half a day, total accumulated time, therefore, 0.5 divided by 1 day is equal to 0.50 or 100 plus 50 is 150%. Therefore, the accomplishment rate is 150%, and its equivalent numerical rating is 5 and adjectival of outstanding. After computing for the efficiency, the quality, and timeliness, we will now compute for the final average. In our previous example, the accomplishment rate for efficiency is 120% and its equivalent numerical rating is 4. On the quality, the accomplishment rate is 109% and the numerical rating is 3. On the timeliness, the accomplishment rating is 150% and the equivalent numerical rating is 5. We will now add the numerical rating of this 3. Therefore, 4 plus 3 plus 5 equals 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And referring back to the rating scale, the adjectival value of 4 is very satisfactory, or VS. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you have learned the proper computation of the IPCR for the SPMS. Thank you for listening, and God bless.